In this video, I'm going to show you Doodly alternatives. So if you're for whatever reason not interested in using Doodly for pricing or other reasons, then this is going to be a great video because what I'm going to do is show you free alternative softwares that you can start using for your whiteboard animation content. So if you're not sure which one you should go with, keep watching the video as I'll show you step by step how you can use them and also just the platforms itself. Now before I show you all of them, I do want to mention that I'm not getting paid to say this. I won't leave any links to them, so all of this is 100% my own opinion and I'm not getting paid for it. So with that being said guys, let's get started. Platform number one that I want to show you is called Videoscribe. So this was previously called Sparkle, but as of right now it's called Videoscribe. Now this is also a whiteboard animation software. What I want you to know is that there's a free trial available, which is pretty cool. That's going to be a 7-day free trial. Now if I just go to Showcase, I can show you guys what you can do with this software. So apart from whiteboard animations, just like on Doodly, they also have scrapbook style and stick up themes. However, I'm going to show you this one first, and then after that I'll show you the other ones. But this is the whiteboard animation software called Videoscribe. So this is what you can create. Now if I just skip through, you'll see that the quality on here is pretty good. It looks pretty engaging. All of this is looking good. If I simply skip through, we'll get to see some different characters, some drawings, some writing, and transitions. Now you can see it looks good, quality is good. So that's definitely a great point. Apart from that, they've also got the scrapbook style. If I play this, I'll also show you what it looks like. And there we go. So this is the scrapbook template. It will then zoom in, boom, there we go. And then the animations are pretty much the same. It's just a different background. And as you can see right there, there's a hand pushing in that specific photo, which is also pretty cool. Apart from this one, they've also got the stick up themes. We'll click that too. And there we go. So this is the stick up theme. So you can see that this software even has a couple more styles to it. Instead of only the whiteboard animations, you can also click browse all templates. It will send you over to all of their YouTube videos, and these are templates that you can then start using in the software itself and change the text, which is cool. Now that is pretty much it for Videoscribe. If you want to check out more, scroll down and there we go. You can see there's a free trial. In terms of pricing, you can see that these are the prices. So you can buy this at once, but I'll get into this in a bit. So then we're going to compare these three. The second software is called Vyond. Now Vyond is really cool and I do like this a lot. So once again, there's a free trial available, which is awesome because if you're not sure, you can always test it. But let's go to Showcase. Now the cool thing about Vyond is that they don't only have the whiteboard animation ones. Let me go to Showcase. They also have templates from, let's see, why is this not showing up guys? So this is probably my bad. Let me try and click on the template library then, because I want to show you guys the actual clips, because this is not interesting. So I'm not sure why it's not loading. Let's just get to the third one then. Oh, there we go. Featured videos. Yep, here we go. So this is the stuff that you can do with Vyond. So you've got these simple animations and you've also got the whiteboard stuff. So if you're looking to create engaging videos like this stuff, just the more like classic animations, you can definitely do that with Vyond. However, you can also do the whiteboards and I'll show you that in a bit. But this is what you can do with Vyond as well. Really cool, and this is just classic like animation stuff. However, if I just go to the free trial, I'll sign into my account, then click make a video, and there we go. Here you have the whiteboard animations. So if I click select style, I've just chosen the whiteboard animations. That is probably what you're here for. Now what you can do is click add scene, click choose a template, and you've got all of this stuff built for you. Now let's say that you need a, let's see, not this one, let's see, a home clip. You click home, you slide, and then you'll find all of these different clips. So maybe you need a Thanksgiving dinner clip. You can upload that and then it's all ready to go. So what you can then do is click preview just to show you what it looks like and to show you that the quality is good. There we go, we've got the transition and it's then gonna draw the dinner. And you can see it's not even going to draw literally everything, but it's kind of like a mix between whiteboard drawing and then also like animations that get pushed in with transitions, which I kind of like. Anyway, that's it kind of for Vyond Studio. It's a pretty cool software. I'll show you more in a bit, and I'll also show you pricing. So let me just do save and go. And then finally, the third software is called Doodle Maker. Now this is from the same company as Doodly. However, this is more automated. So this is focused on making it easy for you to make a video. On Doodly, it's kind of hard to get used to, but here they're using the, let's see, the AI system. They've got an AI system integrated on the tool. As you can see, the generation of AI has arrived, which is cool. So what you can do with this is simply put in a script, and they're then going to create an entire video for you automatically on autopilot. So you don't need to create characters, choose characters, or do whatever. All of that will be done automatically, which is really cool. Now, apart from that, this is pretty similar to Doodly itself, but I just thought I'd show you this one as well. Let's go to pricing for both softwares, because that's important. So I already showed you that one. If I just go back to Vyond itself, can click on pricing again. Yep, there we go. And then let me put up my mic real quick. Yep, there we go. So if we go to pricing, hopefully that's gonna load. We'll start with Videoscribe then. So Videoscribe, and it depends if you're gonna pay monthly or per year, but per month it's gonna be 25 euros for the single user plan. If you pay yearly, it's going to be 156, so $13 or euros in my case per month. And if you pay this once, which means that you'll have it forever, it's going to be 550 euros, which isn't too bad if you have the budget. However, I always recommend testing it first by going with the monthly plan, and you can then always upgrade to the other two to save money on long term. If we go to Vyond pricing, you can see that they've also got monthly and annually. Monthly, it's going to be 49. However, I don't recommend using this because you cannot even do unlimited videos. Plus, I'm not sure if it's full HD, so you kind of need the premium one already, which is going to be expensive, 649 per year. So that's a huge difference between the two, 156 and 649. But you have to keep in mind that Vyond also has normal animations and a lot more templates and stuff, and Videoscribe doesn't. So that's the main difference. However, what I recommend doing is simply getting a free trial for both of them, and you can find out which one is going to be the best for you. In terms of the other one, like Doodle Maker, like I said, it's pretty much the same as Doodly, but I still wanted to show you guys it because it comes with text-to-speech voices, and then also like it's more automated because there are templates and they're working with AI. So if you put in a script, it will automatically load a full video for you. So yeah, just thought I would mention that, but the main two are Videoscribe and Vyond. Let me know if this video helped you out. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.